The Nile River is Egypt's only source of water. Without it, this farm couldn't survive. So news that Ethiopia has started diverting the Blue Nile, one of the Nile's two main tributaries, is worrying a lot of Egyptians.
The
whole country is concerned, especially the farmers, because their lives depend on the Nile. We eat from it and drink from it, and all this land needs water. I grow cucumbers. If there's no water, what would I do?
Ethiopia has started building the largest hydroelectric dam in Africa. It's called the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Sudan, Egypt and Ethiopia agreed to set up a team of experts to study its impact. Their report hasn't been released. But an Egyptian member of the panel says if the Ethiopian dam starts filling up, studies indicate the amount of power generated by Egypt's Aswan Dam could drop by up to 10%. And that during a prolonged drought, Egypt would not be able to release any water from the Aswan Dam for 4 years.
This worst scenario happened. No power in Egypt. High Aswan Dam, thermal power plants all over the Nile for the cooling system. No agriculture, no land to be cultivated, be disaster, no national income for millions of Egypt.
Egypt is calling for Ethiopia to carry out more research into how the impact of the dam can be reduced. Under a colonial-era treaty, Egypt was given the right to most of the water from the Nile River. Other countries have long resented that, and now it's openly being challenged. Ethiopia says Egypt has nothing to worry about. The government argues the Blue Nile will be diverted slightly, but then able to follow its natural course.
We made it very clear, we will not use the dam for agricultural purpose. Sudan is the greatest benefiter from the Nile River agriculturally. We see that this dam is benefiting all sides.
The Egyptian government is pushing back, making strong statements on the issue. But getting the public to focus on the Nile may be a way to help President Mohamed Morsi draw attention away from Egypt's other domestic problems. The question then is, how far will Egypt go to protect its access to the water in the Nile River? Nicole Johnston, Al Jazeera, Cairo.